are going to have a lesson about summarizing. And what can you tell me about summaries? What's an effective way to summarize? Yes.
Kind of like the main details of the story.
The main details of the story. Yep.
It takes like a big book and puts it down to like a few paragraphs.
Okay. A big book puts it down to a few paragraphs. Olivia.
Names some of the main events.
Name some of the main events. Very good.
Short version of the story.
Short version of the story. Good. So not only can we summarize stories, but what else could you summarize? Besides just a big book, what else could you summarize? Lydia?
News articles.
A news article. Andy?
A song.
A song. Yep.
Even a short story.
A short story. Okay. Olivia? A poem. So there's lots of things that you can summarize. And what do you think would be the reason that you would want to write a summary? What's the reason for it? Why would you do that? Caitlin?
If someone hasn't like read a book that you read, and you like tell them about it, and if you like summarize the book for them, then maybe they'll like it because it's like a short little thing.
Okay. Okay. Andy?
If someone tells you to like summarize a song or like a poem, if someone tells you like what a song is about, you just tell them like main details or even a story, just big details that they don't give away the book of the song.
Okay. All right. Yep. What else?
Kind of like the back of the book.
Kind of like the back of the book. Good. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to practice doing something a little shorter today before we start summarizing short stories and our novels and things like that. We're going to practice doing a couple of different summaries. Okay. So we're going to start with the shortest one first, and this paper that I've given you with all these little hearts on it because it is still the month of love. And so with all these hearts on it, we are going to take a love song by Ed Sheeran, which at least the girls probably like.
He's awesome.
He is awesome. And we are going to listen to the song, and as you listen to it, I want you to write down key points or main ideas about this love song, okay? And guys, you have to do it too. So I'm sure you can find lots of things. So as I play this song for you, I want you to think about key points, important parts of the song, things like that, and then we're going to do a summary of it.
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day, and I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars.
So channel your inner romantic here as you are writing down things.
Now, maybe we found love right where we are.
Channeling your inner romantic.
When my hair's all gone and the memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name. When my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. Baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall
notes. And we are going to put some stuff on the board. We're going to put some of your thoughts on the smart board to kind of get our idea of a summary together. Connor, sit up, please. All right, so Lydia, give me, and we'll do it in red for love. Okay, so give me some of your thoughts. Andy?
Non-stop thinking of someone.
Non-stop thinking of someone. Okay. What else? Elizabeth?
I put instantaneous.
Instantaneous. We're just going to put instant.
Okay. Well, because it's not really the same thing.
Okay, instantaneous. I remember the first time I saw my husband for the very first time.
Wasn't that like a gymnastics thing?
Yes. Olivia?
Mysterious.
Mysterious. You don't know why you fall in love with somebody, you just do. Okay? What? Now think of from this song. This is what we're trying to think of. Okay, Lydia?
It's never ending.
Never ending. Okay. Never ending. Good. Cammie?
Unconditional.
Unconditional. Okay. What else? Jesse? Accidental. Sometimes you just do it. You don't even know. Okay. Yep. Wanting to be with someone forever. Yes. Okay. Okay, very good. So now what I want you to do, Ashley, do you have one more?
Yeah.
What is it?
Not growing tired of someone.
Not growing tired of someone. I'll just put that over here. Okay, wonderful. All right, so the next thing that I want you to do is I want you to look at our thoughts that we have put together, and I want you to kind of look at some more of your thoughts that maybe you didn't share with us. And in your group, I want you to write 3 sentences, and you can just do it on one of your papers on the back. I want you to write 3 sentences summarizing this song. Okay? And just in case you don't know the title of the song, I know most of you do. I don't. It's Thinking Out Loud by Ed Sheeran. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and in your groups, I want you to talk to each other at your tables, and I want you to come up with 2 to 3 sentences to summarize this song. 2 to 3 sentences to summarize this song. How can we do that? Think of the things that he said in the song. Think of your thoughts that you wrote down. And I'm going to give you about 3 minutes to do it. Okay? So I'm going to mark off 3 minutes to do it. Go ahead and start. Think about what he was talking about in the song. Do not make me tell you to sit up again, Connor. Two to 3 sentences, that's all you need.
Dude, we have the same thoughts. It's weird.
Make sure that you put this in sentence form because this will be a summary. You have about 1 minute and 10 seconds left to get your summary together, to construct your summary.
I love this sun.
About 30 seconds left. Okay, time's up. So let's hear some of your fantastic summaries. Let's hear what you have. Make sure that you speak loudly. Olivia, what do you have?
This song, Thinking Out Loud by Ed Sheeran, is about loving someone but showing it in so many different ways. It talks about the different characteristics of love, like how mysterious or unconditional it can be.
Okay, so if you didn't hear what Olivia said, she said that the song is about how the characteristics of love are mysterious and unconditional when you fall in love with somebody. Okay, all right.
Ours is kind of like out of order, but
Okay.
it pretty much is like that thinking out loud is people mysteriously falling in love in many different ways. They're like, you never leave my mind when we're in love, and I hope that you never forget my love.
Okay, so Andy is saying that he said that he doesn't want her to ever leave his mind, and what else?
That they don't forget their love.
Don't forget their love. Okay, good. Anybody else have anything they want to add to our conversation? Okay, so that's one way that you can summarize, and that was very good. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is called the cross-out challenge. The cross-out challenge. Let me hand out this paper. It actually has it on there twice. Just use one or the other. If you mess up on the top one, it's the same thing on the bottom. So you have it twice. Okay? So just kind of put your name on it, and then I will kind of discuss how this is going to work. This is another way of summarizing that seems to be pretty effective, especially when you're doing a shorter passage or you don't have as much text. Obviously, this isn't something that you can use with a novel. All right, so what the cross-out challenge is, it says, cross out words which are less necessary. What do I mean by less necessary?
They're not needed.
They're not needed. They're not as important. Those that can be excluded, leaving the main ideas intact. What's the main idea? What does that mean?
What the like